business owners. Welcome to the Billman Canteen POS demo, the ultimate billing software for canteens. With Billman, you get speed billing for fast transactions, quick shortcuts for easy navigation, and it works without internet. In this video, we'll show you how Billman software help you manage your business better. Once a user purchases Billman, our team will create a dedicated shop or canteen admin user ID and password for you. This allows you to securely access the system and start managing your business right away. From here, you'll be able to add products, generate bills, and keep track of all transactions effortlessly. Now, we'll log in as the admin. I'll use the username Mr. X and a 4-digit password. As the admin, once logged in, you'll have full control over the system, managing users and adding products. When adding products, you can either add them one by one or use the import option to upload products in multiple using an Excel CSV file. Once the upload is complete, you can check and verify the products. After verification, don't forget to click the Save All button to save your changes. With the product upload complete, let's move to the user section. You can create users. For example, I'll create a user named Mr. Y with a 4-digit password, then click the Add button to complete the setup. Next, let's move to the Bill Settings section. Here, you'll see options for tax settings and bill design. First, click on Tax Settings to configure your taxes. I enter value 18 and submit. Or choose from GST, price include tax, or no tax. Now, let's move to the bill design section. Here, you can customize the border, header and footer styles, text, choose whether to show your business name and print bill. Border like solid, dashed and dotted. Next, add text like slogan. Once all set, now move to Summary section, Day Summaries. Now you can see today, yesterday, week and month. Once everything is done, go to POS section and see the output. Here you can see the uploaded products with prices and also the shortcut codes. Now test the bill to click the products one by one and it can without delay quickly add to the bill. Preview section, you can see the entered products. Once bill done, click the print button to print the bill. The bill printing done. It can quickly process the next bill. It should help the crowded business. Now, go to the dashboard section where you can see today's billing summary, and you can also check the detailed bill summary for each items or products in bill today. Again, move to the POS section to test another bill to click the items or products, then it's done and print it. Now click the 3-dot button and you can see the setting button, click it. See the 3 options: keyboard, mouse touch and item number, on and off, and click confirm button. You will see the item number are not displayed. Items add done, click print. Once bill print done, again click the 3-dot button, go setting keyboard, mouse touch, and item number on or off, then hit confirm. Now test the bill with keyboard to enter the product no and enter the button. Here's bills outputs: inclusive tax, without tax, with GST tax, CGST and SGST bills. Now we're going to check that the user login we already created. Click the admin logout and again click on login button, select the user option. Log in with the user we created. I create the user Mr.Y as the username and a 4-digit password. Click the login. This user login is for only billing purpose with basic settings. Select items you want to bill one by one and click the print button. Once bill printing done, now click the 3-dot button and select setting option. You see 3 options I explained already. Close it and log out it. Log in again as admin with the username for admin is Mr.X and enter the 4-digit password. Once entered correctly, hit the login button. Now go to the dashboard. Go to the Settings option. You'll now see this option. Click that. Here, you can create timing-based bills, like shift-based ones. Now, I'll create a shift named First Shift. And the from time I'm selecting is 9 a.m. And the to time is 6 p.m. Once active, and hits the Save button. Now go to Dashboard. See the created first shift time. It shows in the dashboard. You can check which time or more sales running. Easily track it. Click the Pass button to see the first shift appear, as I set the time from 9 to 6. This software is designed to make billing easy for canteen services across various industries. Whether you're managing a corporate office canteen, a school or college cafeteria, a hospital, or even a factory or government office, Billman is tailored to suit your needs. It's also perfect for canteens at airports, railway stations, IT parks, malls, and tea shops and bakeries. That's it for this video. We showed you how simple Billman makes billing management. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.